Microsuction has become one of the most widely recommended earwax removal methods, and there are several important reasons why. Unlike traditional syringing, microsuction uses gentle suction combined with specialist magnification to remove wax precisely while the audiologist clearly sees inside the ear canal. This makes the procedure highly controlled and accurate. Because no water is used, many patients find microsuction cleaner, quicker, and more comfortable. It's also commonly recommended for people with sensitive ears or certain ear health conditions. During the appointment, your audiologist first examines the ears carefully to confirm the amount and position of the wax. Then, using a small medical suction device, the wax is removed gradually and safely. Most appointments are completed quickly, and many patients notice immediate improvement in hearing clarity afterwards. People often choose microsuction because it offers precise wax removal, professional visual guidance, and fast treatment times, comfortable appointments, and safe modern ear care. If you've been struggling with blocked ears or reduced hearing, microsuction may provide the relief you've been looking for.